all are keeping good health. Today we are going to make healthy, delicious ragi, also called nachni or finger millet laddus that are full of vitamins and nutrients and are very easy to prepare in few minutes. Ragi is a gluten-free grain rich in fiber, calcium. I aim to post more ragi recipes soon and I hope we all make it a part of our diet. So let's begin. To prepare, please note the ingredients. We need 1 cup of ragi flour, 1 cup of de-seeded chopped dates. I have removed the seed and just chopped the date into two. Try and take dates that are soft so they will blend easily and it will be easy to prepare laddus. 1 cup of mixed nuts. You can take any nuts that you like. I have taken cashew, pistachios, almonds, raisins and peanuts. We'll need 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you're a vegan, you can substitute the ghee with coconut oil. Then half a cup of jaggery. Again, if you want to avoid jaggery, the laddus can still be prepared without it. But jaggery is good in iron, and personally I love jaggery, so I have added jaggery. This is half a cup of dry grated coconut, which we are going to roast later. An inch of cinnamon and some cardamom and pinch of salt. Now we'll be making a powder of the cinnamon and the now we are going to put 2 teaspoons of ghee, and the pan is on low heat and we are going to roast the ragi flour. You have to keep stirring continuously. This is going to take around 3 to 4 minutes depending on the kind of pan you're using. I'm using here the hard anodized pan, so that gets heated very quickly. So we've been roasting this on low to medium heat for last 4-5 minutes. It's almost ready and the raw flavor of ragi is gone, and now I'm going to add the jaggery powder in this. This is the powdered jaggery which is easily available in any of the stores. We are just going to slightly mix it. We are going to turn off the heat now, so there is no flame. The pan is still warm, so while the ragi is warm, the jaggery is going to get nicely mixed with it, and we have to keep stirring it for a while because we don't want the ragi to burn, as the pan will still remain hot for a while. So for a minute or two we'll keep stirring it till the jaggery gets nicely mixed. So now the pan is on slow heat. I put 1 teaspoon of ghee and we'll be roasting the nuts just for a minute or till they change color. Now we are going to dry roast the coconut. Please make sure that the gas is at the minimum at this point because the dry coconut burns easily, and you have to keep stirring continuously till the coconut gets lightly roasted and becomes slightly pink in color. Okay, our coconut is done now, so we are going to turn off the heat and we are going to put it in the... So I've taken a steel jar, mixer jar. In that we have put the roasted nuts, the roasted coconut, and I'm going to add the jaggery, the dates now in that, and the powdered cardamom and the cinnamon and a pinch of salt, and we are going to pulse this till it gets blended well. So the ingredients are pulsed together, and as you can see they are nicely mixed and it's formed a sticky kind of dough. Now we'll be adding the ragi and the jaggery which is slightly cooled down, into this, and we are again going to blend it together, pulse it together till it gets mixed well. Okay, so now we have the whole mixture is nicely blended and it's still warm, so we have to make the laddus while the mixture is still warm. So take some ghee, apply it on your palms, and take a small portion at a time. Just press it together. And just roll it into a laddu. I prefer these small size laddus because they're easy to eat and the portion is just right for a bite-sized snack. The stickiness of the dough will depend on the quality of the dates that you've taken. So if you feel that the dates are a bit not that soft, then probably you can increase the quantity of the dates. You can take maybe more. I have taken 1 cup, but you can probably take 1.5 cup to ensure that the dough becomes sticky in the end. Also, if you find the dough a bit dry, you can add another spoon of ghee, but I don't think I need to add it here. It's just come fine. And hi, so see, our laddus are ready. We could prepare around 15 to 17 laddus with the portions that we had taken. They're delicious, healthy, and I hope you enjoy them with your family. I'm going to try one now.